SketchUp and print it. So first we're gonna open SketchUp and choose a template, which is 3D printing. And I'm using millimeters. So let's start. Today I'm gonna build a 3D wardrobe that I have in front of me. So let's start. I'm gonna start building the sides first using the tool called line. So first I'm gonna make this the length, which is gonna be 50, and I'm gonna go 2 millimeters on the width, 50 again, and I'm just throwing numbers off my head. And I'm gonna give it a height of 80. Now I'm gonna make this a component, which means that I'm gonna use this more than once, which I'm gonna make a copy, and it's gonna be the other side. And component is that whatever change I make to this one, it's gonna affect the other one, whatever the group is. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the top, bottom, and the back. And as you can see here, I'm using my rectangle tool, and I'm going there. I'm gonna make it 2 millimeters. And I'm gonna go and lift the whole thing up just to make the bottom. Just like this. Hold the move tool and move it on blue axis. And I'm gonna get in there. Just like this. Nope, nope. Never mind. I'm just gonna do it the other way. I'm gonna use my rectangle tool again. I'm gonna hold the corner there. 2. And make this a group. And make this a group. Okay. So now we have the box. I'm gonna go and select all of it and use the move tool and bring it to the edge right there. Let's check this. Now I'm gonna go and do the back, just like this, and I'm gonna make the back 1 millimeter because it's a thin cardboard. I'm gonna go ahead and do the divider. I'm gonna give it a 30. No, that's too much. 25. 25 millimeters. Okay. Now I'm going to use my rectangle tool and go here at the edge and make the divider. That kind of one shelf that has. Bring it down 1 millimeter more. Now my wardrobe has a hanger right here. So I'm going to go ahead and throw some numbers here. I'm going to go here 2.5, and I'm going to go to the middle. And you use the circle and go 0.5 millimeters. Well, that's that's really thin. 1 millimeter looks good, and just go it across. Match it up with the edge, and now we have the hanger. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the doors, or I don't know how to call them. I'm gonna go and find the midpoint here, drag it across, make this like this. Now I'm gonna pull it about 1 millimeter, and I'm gonna offset it using the offset tool. I'm gonna go and offset it for 2, and yep, for 2 more. I'm gonna use the move tool to give it a little bit of detail here, and I'm gonna slightly like this. And I went ahead and did the handle because it's a really tough job to do when you're recording. So I'm gonna just place the handle right here, just like this. Yes, that looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and triple click it. Oh no, I forgot to. No. I'll explain why I deleted that. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this and make this a component, and go and call it door. Now, what I want to do again is use the X-ray and go in there and make a rectangle again, and push pull this all the way through here. just like this, and remove the X-ray. Now that I have this, I go to the corner, grab it, duplicate it, and just place it down. That simple. Okay. Now I just need to make this a group. And we almost have it. We have to rotate this, flip along. No. I have to flip this along. There. That was awkward. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the drawers. So if I'm correct, this should be 27. And 27 divided by 2 is 13.5. I'm gonna get 13. So I'm gonna go ahead and do, as I said, that's 60, I think, or 58 by 13.5. 58 by 13.5. Oh my god. Okay, so it's 58 by 13.5. Oh my god. This is hard. I'm gonna do it manually. 58 by 50, I think. Yeah. By 58. And raise this up 2 or 1. And I'm gonna go and do it a group. I'm gonna get my rectangle tool over here and raise this 4 millimeters. Make this a component because we're gonna use this more. Side. Grab the outside. No, we have to grab the inside corner and go there and place it. Now I'm gonna make the face of the drawer, which is gonna be this one. I'm gonna push and pull it 2 millimeters and 1 on the outside. One on the outside like this. I'm gonna offset it about 0.5. Again, use the move tool. Do that along the green axis. 0.5 was okay. And I'm gonna place the handle again. I'm gonna have to copy this and paste it out here. Place it on the face. 58. Yeah, we're about the middle. Now what I want to make is make this a group and make this a group. Now I want to drag this one. Now we're going to use the X-ray again. So I'm going to grab the outer corner right here and use the X-ray so I can see the corner that I'm going to drop it in. Just like this. And don't get in there. Drop it there. Now I'm gonna have to roll up this one, bring it at the top, release it, and before I do anything else, I'm gonna divide this by 3 or maybe 4 and see how it plays. Oh god damn it! I grabbed everything. Don't ever do that. Grab this one and make this a group. And grab all of it and make all of it a group. Now what happened there is that I selected the ground and the and the drawer at the same time. So when I moved everything, oh, there it is. Use the move tool as I said, and we want to grab this outside corner here. Oh God, I hate when this happens. Go here, duplicate it, and go up and divide this by 4. I think that looks pretty good. So what the divide is that it divides the space that it's between the first one and the last one that we did, and it divides it by 4 and puts 4 perfectly matching drawers there. So I'm gonna change it, go back to normal, and that's it, and we're done. And everything is done. You have a wardrobe. I can even make this move, like I can use the rotation tool and go at the end, hold this, and voila. It looks like it's half opened. Just like this. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.